Hello everyone, I trust you're all well. As we continue with the tax season here in Kenya, I would like to remind each and every one of us, both individuals and business owners, that filing of tax returns is not something to postpone until the last minute. And I have already told you guys the reason as to why. Many people assume that because they have no income or they have no business or they have no taxes to pay, that then they do not need to file. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Filing of your returns on time is a legal requirement, and failure to do so can attract unnecessary penalties and interest that are completely avoidable. And that's the reason why filing your tax returns is very, very important. I have also noticed that many people wait until the final days. Like we realize today is the 18th of June 2026, and the deadline for filing the income tax returns for all citizens and non-citizens that have earned income in the country is 30th of June 2026. That tells you that very few days are remaining and we are on a countdown. And when these days start getting closer to a dead end, we start experiencing system delays, forgotten passwords, missing documents, or even the last minute confusion. You know what I'm talking about. That is why I always encourage early filing. This is because when you file early, it gives you time to confirm that everything is accurate and helps you avoid the stress that comes with the rushing. So whether you are employed, self-employed, running a business, or even required to file a new return, this is the right time for you to take action. Tax compliance is not just about avoiding penalties. It's also about maintaining a good standing and keeping your records up to date. So if you're unsure where to begin, if you need assistance with your individual returns, company returns, new returns, eatings matters, bookkeeping, or any other tax-related issue, I am always available to guide you and make the process simple and stress-free. You don't have to wait until the deadline to catch up with you for you to start running helter-skelter. Just file early so that you can also file correctly, and by doing all that, you will enjoy the peace of mind that you truly need. So if you are there as an individual, as a company, and you haven't filed your income tax returns for the year 2025, this is a wake-up call for you. This is meant for you. Just reach out and you will get all the necessary assistance and the help that you might need. If you are a business owner and probably you haven't filed your returns because probably you have also not been keeping your books properly, there is also help for you. You do not have to get confused. You do not have to feel left out. You do not have to allow fear and panic to catch up with you. All you need is to get someone that can support you in gathering together the information, putting your sales together, putting your expenses together, and then we find out whether the company made a profit or whether the company made a loss, or whatever status the financial status of your company is. And from there, we shall be in a position to know how to file your returns. If you have someone also that you know that is struggling to file their returns, this is a very good chance for you to refer them to a professional. This is a very good time for you to refer them to someone who can support them. Otherwise, what are friends for? That is why we are community, so that we can support each other. Just reach out and you'll get the